The most striking feature of Cascade Rear Lounge are the two impressive lounges dominating the stern area. Designed specifically for the sun worshippers in the family, these ultra-wide, super comfortable lounges are sure to be a big hit with the young and young at heart. With port and starboard benches up front, Cascade Rear Lounge also features ample, comfortable places for the rest of the group. Completing the plan is an Ensign 2 fiberglass helm stand, a fully adjustable captain's chair, a fiberglass console with graywood accents, plus co-pilot's chair. Cascade Rear Lounge. Chilling out never felt so good. Cascade highlight features include a fiberglass Ensign 2 helm stand with graywood dash, a gold stereo system featuring a high-power Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, a GPS speedometer, a premium interior with composite wall cladding, and 4000 series plush Matrix 50 furnishings.